Chalemini this morning about Trica, the beautiful wife entered Accra High Court together. But after the court proceedings, it be only the beautiful wife came out from the court. Why? The Accra High Court has given the order US so that they'll go and continue his 8 million romance scam case. Many bad blaming. My name is Samokuma. If you see me, you can call me Samiki. I'll respond go online. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel so that can drop a first. Now, the issue regarding Abu Trica, he's facing 8 million romance scam issue. And the case where he was arrested in December, 11th December, according to him, he went for an interview after he was bailed. And I'm taking you back so that you understand where the case started from. Now, more in December 11th, according to him, he did house in people, then they prepare towards 24th. You know, say 24th. Ghana with the chop and well. So if they prepare way they see say somebody did knock the gate. As it go, it be cyber security people, it be FBI more than narcotics people. So they can tell them so get warrant say make we can arrest you regarding an 8 million romance scam issue. Now he say
yeah, then no before.
I think 11 December. And a pie sorry my name boys here yet is a woman okay apartment gate, you know. Knocking I'm gonna cyber, you could be a cyber crime for national security for narcotics for no. A brain on a mobile. So when look at warrant, we say I'm into cyber fraud in money laundry. You know, I want to come a shock pan say no so you know mama I say search room home money na me name boys na so nti ho na me see o sade o ma me frame lawyer na see o me kase like one me start is me kase one fa me frame lawyer no na I say ebufu ba mu di na I say o da me ntwon e kakra search no e kakra na nti boys na allow mo was search bibia o search o nia
I was in Swedro.
I was airport residential Castle apartment.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti o search bibia o nia we no. And I think ko TikTok scabi picture be like scabi o mo no bisa scabi e wen. Scabi TikTok I mean TikTok. TikTok one akade o nia e fake. Account o nia e fake. Me need TikTok app kwa on phone so. Me na dey no. Sky out the I mean obi post here na time post here year post here nti. No so no believe this is scanner o na ho nti no. Me nkyere no
TikTok sikano.
TikTok sikano. E wo dey mu nti no. Me nkyere no. Me nkyere wo mo. I mean say o me skabi anda ho nti no me ntumi kase bia wo.
Na so o search ho so.
O search ho. O search no so na hanko gumensa. Me boys ni agu echi.
This interview he went, I don't know whether he cared lawyers before he went for the interview, but for me, I feel if your case is in court and you have just been given bail and you don't go for an interview to go and reveal things, because the judges, they look at all these things, whether the case that you are on, you are showing remorse, all these things, when judgment is to be given, they look at all these things. So that was a wrong move. But really, if you content we want, as he give we content, we go give them back to you. Now, after he was arrested, the case was taken to the basic district court. And according to the ruling, he, Abu Trica, should be extradited to the US to continue the case. But the two people, they gave them bail going forward. Now, it went back and forth, court to court, and then in lawyers decided that I make a case in Accra High Court to squash the extradition to the US. Everything should be done here. That's what they wanted. But around 16th May, Abu Trica was bailed. So all this while from December to the time he was bailed in May, Abu Trica was in cells. Charlie, it no be easy. If you go there cell one day, Charlie, it be easy. So he tried for that. But before he was bailed, I remember people were doing protests and all that, especially on court days. Some of Abu Trica followers, especially wife, can it be?
Mama, you do
on 19th May, 3 days after Abu Trica was bailed there, lawyers took the extradition ruling to the Accra High Court to squash it. So it means Abu Trica was coming from home, yeah, she by court, and everything was fine. Till today, that the ruling was given, okay, he should be extradited to the US. Now I continue case. And how did we get to know? Like I said in the beginning of the video, this morning, Abu Trica, K wife, they went to the court, Accra High Court, for the final ruling. And after the ruling, it was only the wife, Nijeto, from the courtroom. And you know the media, bloggers, Asha. Now, so people were wondering, where is Abu Trica? Where is Abu Trica? And upon investigation, we realized that one of his lawyers, Oliver Baka has written on Facebook that he not dey town. He not get case, no, he not dey town. So one of the lawyers where he represents handle the case for today. And what he write be say, I am out of Ghana for work. I just heard that the case of Abu Trica has been fast-tracked and a judge has just ordered his extradition. FBI 1, Abu Trica 1. I guess this issue goes to the Supreme Court. It means he's not ending there. It means the Abu Trica and lawyers definitely make an issue by a court. And it will head to the Supreme Court, because when you are from the district court, you head to the Accra High Court, then the district court. When the district court says it, I think it is final from there. So if they should go to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court says no, then it's no. If the Supreme Court says yes, it's yes. It will be Akalebaya, America, and the case will continue there. But I'm a little bit shocked because, like I said, Abu Trica did an interview on Unia TV with Captain Smart, and people were shocked. Okay, your case they court, we not finish it, but they bail and give you. Why you go interview? They go release things. When he went for the interview, I'm shocked. I'm saying I'm shocked because when he went for the interview, he made it clear, okay, there is no 8 million case. You where they say they can't arrest you for 8 million romance scam fraud issue. You went for an interview. No, you are reacting. There is no 8 million case anywhere.
There's of $30,000.
Yeah, there's not like $8 million bill. Omaka says state you say mommy $13,000. Reason why it's here 8 million buy and Kasane say. Ombe family in Brino. Ombe family in Brino na. Me wanna we call na kwate so do. And until Mr. Source no one make say oh, go for we person only me interrogation bi na the one from Indian come. You know, your call some dark room be conference room. I say like your organization down but I said dark room a conference room be aka. You say na ya abroad 4-3 be ni black men's 2. And your call no na or they papers we will go or like I think more evidence will go and not so is na set up or makasa ye. This whole way, you know, set up me. No, mommy, ya we say we set up no dey abeyemi.
Oh, one interrogate you in the catch.
Oh yeah, because I only buy. Set up. No.
Okay.
I set up no informative catch I mean provide the account man. Now they know say accounting in media. You know, me no member account na ni din and fema
na account na din iso.
This is so like I say obi o the account ni ma me no. Member ni din and fema oh, we sabi information no kwa no bla ansa no nyame no. Into me get say we be a no already na say mo kwa mu ansa no we be sami. That dey koso mu chi mu no say let me show na into me mboni di sa. Say what I mean say ni bufu or like abofo ni bufu. Eba say oh me mboni din dia aba charge me from $1 million to $8 million. 8 million. So I say I'm growing no because into me when me crew like in my own country now me can say oh like another one be say nah you know na me cause we are growing.
He went ahead and they explained like the only money he received was $5,000. $5,000 and the whole money itself was $13,000. The commission person take $8 million, $105,000. She can't romance come any now you are now ya na ba na feel no it be $5,000.
And do $100,000 and do $90,000 cry. I will 70 to 80 or no then.
Na ni na wo ho.
Ni anymore, ni ya no kwa wo omo. Ni ya kwa omo informative like FBI free.
Okay, nti say wo hwa send the video ho.
The video we want and do like I think $5,000 and $10,000 can do.
David, oh, yautre. And I ko dem kakra tia say ya fa.
Oh, serious.
It's secure. Yeah, woman will come one seven. No, secure war no. You find say $5,000.
$5,000. Because the whole amount is $13,000. And I think yeah, $13,000 and obi like me buana no. Or gym like I think $10,000. Nah, gym almost 8,000 there. No, because the 5 year. That $13,000 is over 5% out from it. Yeah.
It's $13,000 over 5%.
5%. Yeah.
Oh. That's how you can need any.
5%. There's
of
$13,000. Yeah, there's not like $8 million.
What do you think? Drop your comments down below because me now in one of the lawyer way today he represent them for court. This is what he had to say. He was explaining why the extradition came to pass.
Yes, you know, say court member no ruling on the habeas corpus.
At anything.
Habeas corpus nka nipa no mutumi esi onye nemra. Na man ntra Ghana anu ndi na sem wo Ghana ha ndi. But our cases were court. A onye nwi I pass them now. Was it right? Ewo GG 11 and your way human rights switch against the state and other way parastatals. Europe even the FBI was also included.
Yeah.
So then, judge say, based the comment no, valid in law. I don't make a statement about the evidence we being taken and all that. But we are changing. Say, my chance to me and lead the evidence on the matter. I'm calling witnesses and process. I mean, Nipa, okay, so on it, we accused person of fugitive, no, edge is cabin, FBI coach now, so they be fan entrapment, more yeah. So, I say that pretty comment on valid. Police for assassination. Okay, yeah, Castle. One Western Blue, no. Anna, order Nakasano, commit order Nakasa, yeah, apply for sexual rights, court in Bungu, and also court no so, and class as a new. Then the police was the Muslim.
With the beg. We the beg because Charlie from that Joe to this year, hey, they extradite people, oh, hey, no, too much. And I don't know what they happened. Say it be agenda or because according to Abu Trica, you heard that it was a setup. I'm a like it was a setup. So I don't know the agenda, whether to track down all those people. We are begging, like how the wife was begging.
Ghana for and I do for a mucha Asia. Medamunina say fiti support abode ama ye fiti day one. Medamunina say. Say na mekasa meka wa hey. Ebedu o man penyin ho ene mpenyimfo nyina ho no. Sa abo aye boni bi anase wa aye funso bi etia Ghana for. Momfa ne bone nche no. Momfa ne bone nche no na sisi ade be bi eduide. Extradition adoso. Yekita abofra. Mon shade e koso ni na stress ayedu fiti 4 months e ko 4 months ni ye hwa ye mobo ye mon fa ncha ye pama chow empenyimfo am Ghana fo mon boa ye na mon hu ye mobo me ni ama be me ntumi nka ni ama bebre shino ni maka nya ke me nkpanye fai nya na wo mobo ni nye keke awo ene penny yo ni mawe. Thank you.
Let's see. Oliver says they are taking the case to the Supreme Court. So let's see if the Supreme Court will give the go-ahead for him, Abu Trica, to be extradited to the US to continue the case. 8 million wire fraud, romance scam fraud case there, or it will be dealt here in Ghana. We'll be following the issue. My name is Samokuma Samike. You can call me Samike if you see me in town. I'll respond, go online. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe so that when we drop the bomb, you get this first. Go online.